Hey dance team, this is Coach Hawkins. I wanted to talk to you guys about an opportunity that we have to perform on August 10th, Friday, August 10th. We have been asked to perform at a pep rally at Denton High School. It'll be in the morning. I think we'll have to be at Denton High School around 9 o'clock and we'll be done before noon. But we've been asked to perform for all of the teachers who are coming back to work. It's an exciting time for the teachers to gather together and kick off the new school year. A lot of schools, Denton schools, are going to be performing. There's going to be a drum line, a couple of other dance teams, a folklorica team, and I really want us to have the chance to perform. So I am inviting all of our dance team, 4th and 5th grade from last year. So even if you're headed to middle school, you are invited for this performance because we want to make it big. We will be practicing from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the evening, Tuesday and Thursday of this week, and Tuesday and Thursday evening of next week. So it'll be 4 total practices. I need everyone who wants to do this to come to as many practices as they can, so that we're ready. This is a big deal and we really want our school to look good. So I'm gonna probably post some choreography once I decide exactly what we're doing. It may be after tomorrow when we meet, and that way I can figure out exactly how many people are coming to make the choreography work for the number of people that can commit. This is really good experience, guys. So if you are interested in doing anything, even you who are headed to middle school, this is a great opportunity for you to perform for on a high school stage. So anyway, more information coming. Please check Facebook, and I think we're going to try to get emails out. Also, anybody in Zumba Club who is not a part of the dance team, you are invited also, because we're going to make choreography that, it'll be a fresh thing. So just everybody is invited who participated in Zumba or dance team. So, all right, I hope you guys are having an awesome summer, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.